For this video, we have the integral of x cubed times the square root of x squared plus 5. And there could be several possibilities here to integrate. You can look at this 5 as the square root of 5 squared. You have a possible trig substitution. We could take a factor of this x cubed and put it with the radical. And you could have, say, dv equal to x square root of x squared plus 5. And then the u could be x squared. You could set it up that way. See how that works. And of course, U-substitution could work here. And that is really my go-to method if it works. So the way I'm going to look at this is I'm going to let u equal to x squared plus 5. So this will be my u. So then du would equal to the derivative of the right side will give me a 2x dx. Or I could say, dividing by 2, x dx du over 2. So then I'll set this up this way. This will be the integral of, this is my u right here, x squared plus 5, so this will be u. So instead of the square root, I put 1/2 as an exponent, easier to integrate. And then I'm going to break up the x to the third as x squared, and then one factor of x will go with a dx. So I got x dx there. I've got a substitution for that right here. X dx would be du over 2. And then of course I have an x squared, and then from this substitution here, taking the 5 over, can say that x squared would equal to u minus 5. So those are my substitutions. X squared then can be replaced by u minus 5. So this will be the integral of x squared is replaced by u minus 5. And then I got the u to the 1/2. And then the x dx can be replaced by du over 2. So I'll put the du here, and the 1/2 will go out in front here. So now we have it transformed. Everything is in terms of u. I'll keep the 1/2 here for now. And then we integrate. Well, let's first multiply through by u to the 1/2. So this will be u times u to the 1/2. This will give me u at the exponents. This will be 3/2. And then the minus 5 gets multiplied by u to the 1/2. And we still have the integral here. And then we just integrate term by term. Power rule for integrals. So this will be the 1/2. Keep this out here. And then we have u to the 3/2. So this will be, add 1 to that. This will give me a 5/2 as an exponent. Adding 1 or 2 over 2 to the 3/2. And then dividing by that value. So they give me a 2/5 out here. Minus. Add 1 to the 1/2. I get 3/2. And then divide the minus 5 by the 3/2, so give me a 10/2. Then I've got my constant of integration. And that's pretty much it, other than going back to the original variable. So let's multiply 2 by the 1/2 here. The 1/2 times 2/5 will give me a 1/5 here. And then replace the u by the x squared plus 5. So going back to the original variable, to the 5/2 power here, and multiplying this 10 over 2 by 1/2, the 2 goes into the 10, 5, so this would be a minus 5/2. And replace again the u by x squared plus 5 to the 3/2 power, plus the constant of integration. So the final answer then is 1/2, or 1/5 I should say, times x squared plus 5 taken to the 5/2 power, minus 5/2 times x squared plus 5 taken to the 3/2 power, plus the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.